Hi. So you might be wondering why you're inside my refrigerator. Well, guess what? It's because today we're going to be cleaning it out. Yeah, I know. Don't be worried. Don't be afraid, but we're going to do this. Let's talk about it first so that you kind of know what's going on. Okay, so what we're going to do is today we're going to be doing prepping as part of our basic weekly plan. And I have decided I'm going to do them on Mondays because my garbage runs on Tuesday. So that way I don't have a bunch of food just kind of sitting out there in my trash can. Because if you have food and then the heat and then flies, you're just going to have maggots and flies. And we do not want that. So that's what we're going to do today. Um, what we're going to do is we're only going to spend about 15 minutes. My recommendation is that you have an empty trash can right by you. So if you don't have that, go ahead and pause this video and grab a trash can and bring it right by your refrigerator because that's how fast we are going to work. I'm going to grab mine right now. So I purposely made sure I have an empty trash can because while I don't have a lot of stuff in there, I know that I still want to have it right by here. So it's going to look as though we are emptying out the refrigerator and that there's not going to be anything left. But a lot of what you have in there right now is food that's expired or stuff that you're really not going to eat. So that's what we're going to be getting rid of today. Only work at this like 15 minutes and that's it. That's all. So you have your trash cans ready. We're going to go ahead and we're going to start here on the door. So I have two doors on mine. It's perfectly fine if you only have one. All right, so what I'm looking for is it expired? Am I going to use it? And we want to do this rather quickly because we have a whole refrigerator. So again, you're looking for, there you go. You're looking for what is expired or what are you just not going to use because you don't like it. All right, so honestly, we did not like this that much. So we're going to go ahead and throw that out. Something with chicken broth, I have these boxes of chicken broth because I use it, but you're supposed to use it within like a couple days of having it open. In fact, I have another one that's open too. You will be very surprised to find out what you have in there, and it is okay. See this? Expired. All right. Is this expired? I did a lot of this already. Um, so you're not going to find too much here that is expired. I generally don't keep a lot inside of my refrigerator, and I do that on purpose. I do that on purpose because I want to make sure that what I have I will use. Because we spend so much on food and we throw it away. So as we go through our purchasing, we're going to be really only buying the things that we're actually going to use. Why do I have maraschino cherries? I don't know. I do not know. And I'm the type that I will not keep something if it's expired. I just won't. Call me whatever, but I'm just not going to do it. All right. All right, we'll keep those. I know this is brand new. This one's almost empty. So as we're going through this, you also want to kind of take note of what are you going to use and what do you need more of. So I know my family goes through a lot of ranch. So you may want to go and keep like list. I like to use my Echo Dot as my shopping list. Alexa, add more ranch dressing to the shopping list. So I will ask her to add things to the shopping list, and that way I use that as I make that shopping list. That's my hint. Oh, I got Caesar. I love Caesar dressing. This is probably expired. Maybe not. Nope. All right. And I know we've had this open for a hot second, so I'm not going to trust this. Alexa, add barbecue sauce to the shopping list. Okay. All right, I'm going to add this. It is brand new. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take you on the other side. I really only have cheese here. This is new. I'm going to throw that away because I've had that for a while. Had that for a while. Had that for a while. I don't know why it's there. All right. And then that's my sliced cheese. So as you can see, it looks like we don't eat in this house, but I promise you we do. All right. So the piece de resistance. Now, again, I know mine looks a little bit different than yours. Everyone's is going to look different. So we're just going to take 15 minutes and go through it. So if you know that it is expired, see, this was purchased from Dunkin' Donuts, and did we drink it? No, we didn't. So we're going to empty it out. Empty it out, throw it away. Open. Open, open. Ew. Oh, 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 gross. You know what? Oh, I don't. 7-6. Yep, nope. Nope, we're just going to leave it right there, throw it away. Yep. We are not going to eat these. I know we're not because we've had them for a minute and we just haven't drank them. So we would keep cans of peaches and pears and things inside the refrigerator because they're better cold, right? Yep, and they're still good. This sour cream is new, so we're going to leave that. This is no longer good. This needs to be emptied and washed. All right. Looking good. I know this one's old. And I am not going to judge you on what you want to keep or what you have in your refrigerator. I can't judge you, actually, because July 5th. And today is not July 5th. I'm just going to put it here because I really don't want to open it. I don't want to open it. Oof. Now, I know that this is someone's. I don't know if it's good. 727. So it's still good. I'm going to leave it because I know it's still good. This may be someone's, so I'm going to leave it up front because it's still good. I don't know if they're going to drink it. My lemon juice I just bought. My milk is still good. I'm going to come here. Ooh, stuck. Perfect. Okay. My romaine hearts, I just purchased them, so they're still good. In fact, I might even use some today. All right. I'm literally trying to go as fast as I possibly can here because these are, I know it's here. I know if it's good or if it's bad. Let's see, do I have a Parmesan? I do have a Parmesan. All right. Sorry, I know you guys like when I talk, but I'm literally trying to move as fast as I can. Okay. All right, I got chicken here because we are going to be eating that. What is this hiding? Oh, fries. I don't know how long those have been there. I'm going to wash that. All right. Now I'm going to come down here to this. Let me go and bring it down so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so If you're like, oh, your refrigerator looks really good, yeah, you haven't seen what I actually have. Because when I'm like, ew, this is gross, it's because I've already gone through this before. This, what is taco meat? When did we have tacos? I better throw it away because I don't know. And I know I had chicken right before the tacos. Oh, I am not excited about. Oh my God, that stinks. Oh, holy crap. See? Oh my God, that stinks. Okay. All right. July 21st. So we just purchased these because I know we went through this before. This is still good. This is still unopened. I'm throwing away this Laughing Cow, the creamy garlic and herb, because literally it did not taste that good at all whatsoever. That garbage stinks. Oh my God. All right, we're at 11 minutes and 11 seconds. Now, I don't know if I have enough time to actually go through this freezer in its entirety. I'm going to move that. What I will do, though, is I have like little bits of frozen ice cream and shit and stuff. So I'm going to empty those out. Sorry if it's loud. Again, trying to go through as fast as possible. Okay, so I may have to give this another go. I mean, look how much we have. Now, oh, okay. I think that's what I'm going to tackle for right now. I think I'm done tackling stuff in the freezer. So, all right, whew, that was kind of gross. So it's okay if you still are going through stuff. Again, I would only take 15 minutes total. Now, if you are at this point where you don't have a lot in there, then what you can do is we can actually go through here and wipe down the counters or the shelves. But at this point, yuck, that trash stinks. I'm going to go ahead and quickly grab one of my Lysol wipes right here. And I'm just going to start taking stuff off the top. I know that I can't do a really good clean in 2 minutes. So I'm just going to go ahead and do what I can. Right. All right. So a lot of times we have stuff that just kind of that leaks and just gets everything sticky. Yeah, I do too. I do too, especially when you have things like restaurant cups, those paper cups, and then people just kind of leave them inside the refrigerator. Well, then those eventually leak. That happened actually in my refrigerator. So I have to, I'm going to have to get something a little more heavy duty to go and get the sticky stuff. All right. So I think that's all I'm going to have time to do for today. But we've already done quite a bit. So now that I have made it so that there's not as much stuff inside the refrigerator, now next week when I come through here, I'm going to be able to clean the other shelves. But now you should have a really good idea as to what you have, what you need to get, and that will also help you keep a nice, clean refrigerator. So thank you so much for joining me today. Crazy, huh? We did that in 15 minutes. actually less than 15 minutes because I was talking to you for 2 minutes. So that is our prep day, where we just really want to get the refrigerator nice and cleared out of all the stuff. Again, if you have a really packed refrigerator, which I have before, it's just I've been trying to go and keep up with this the best that I can. So if you do, then that's fine. Tackle one shelf, one drawer at a time. So I will see you all tomorrow. Bye, guys. Bye, guys.